Now here the question is, we are given two sets E1 and E2 and we are given two functions fx and gx. Fx is log x upon x minus 1 and gx is sine inverse log x upon x minus 1. Now first we will find domain of f and g. So we'll start with this function gx. For this function gx we have sine inverse function, and for sine inverse domain is x should lie between minus 1 and plus 1. So for this function gx we can write this log e x upon x minus 1, it should lie between minus 1 and plus 1. Now base is greater than 1. If we'll take antilog, sign won't change. So we'll get 1 upon e is less than x upon x minus 1 is less than e. Now we'll subtract 1 and add 1. We can write 1 upon e is less than 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1 is less than e, or we can write 1 minus e upon e is less than equal to 1 upon x minus 1 and it is less than e minus 1. Now this interval, it contains 0. Now we have this condition that 1 upon x lies between a and b, where 0 belongs to a and b. So here either the value of x is less than 1 upon a or the value of x is greater than 1 upon b. So from here we'll get this condition that x minus 1, it should be less than or equal to e upon 1 minus e. That is, value of x is less than equal to e upon 1 minus e plus 1, or x minus 1 is greater than equal to 1 upon e minus 1. That is, x is greater than equal to 1 upon e minus 1 plus 1. So from here we'll get this condition that x is less than or equal to 1 upon 1 minus e, or x is greater than or equal to e upon e minus 1. So domain of this function g, which is e2, it is defined as minus infinite to 1 upon 1 minus e inclusive union e2 e minus 1 to infinite, and that's your option 1. So this s, it matches with 1. Now we'll find domain of this function f. Now domain of this function f is e1, and e1 is the condition that x upon x minus 1 is greater than 0. Now this is 0 and 1, so it'll be plus, minus and plus. So we'll get the condition that either x is less than 0 or x is greater than 1. And it is given that for E2, x belongs to E1. That is, E2 is a subset of E1. So domain of G, which is E2, it is contained in domain of F. So domain of F will contain domain of G. That means this R also, it matches with 1. Now we look at all other options which contains the element either less than 0 or greater than 1. So between 0 and 1, it is not possible. It contains element between 0 and 1. It will also have elements between 0 and 1. Again, it's not possible, and it is also not possible. So this R, it also matches with only S. Now we need to find range of F and range of G. Now this function F, it is defined as log x upon x minus 1. Let us take this as y. We'll get x upon x minus 1 as e to the power y. We'll get x minus 1 as e to the power minus y into x. So x will be 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus y. Now, what is the restriction for this function? Restriction for this function is denominator, it must not be 0. So we'll get e to the power minus y. It is unequal to 1. That is, value of y should not be 0. So range of f, it will be y belongs to minus infinite to 0 union 0 to infinite. So we'll take all the values except 0. So range of f is this option 4. So this p, it matches with 4. Now we'll come to this function gx. And now gx is actually sine inverse of fx. Now range of fx is either fx is less than 0 or fx is greater than 0. So we'll take fx less than 0 or fx is greater than 0. If we'll take sine inverse, we'll get sine inverse fx is less than sine inverse 0, which is 0. And in the same way, sine inverse fx is greater than sine inverse 0. So this gx, it is either less than 0 or gx is greater than 0. And since gx is sine inverse function, we know that its principal value range will lie between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. So range of this gx will be either from minus pi by 2 to not inclusive 0, union 0 to inclusive pi by 2. And the only option which is contained in this set is this option 2. So range of G contains the set 2. So Q, it matches with 2. So answer to this question is P matches with 4, Q matches with 2, R with 1 and S with 1. And that's your option A. And that is the answer to this question.